telling me about one idea that you've taken from the Development Innovation Performance course that I ran last year, and that was in terms of printing 3D parts. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so 3D printing, additive manufacturing, we realised very early on that it's something we needed to get expert in. We hold around £6 million worth of spare parts for our machines to keep our lines going in our stores. And we pay an awful lot of money for those bespoke plastic pieces, so we realised that if we could develop a facility to design and then 3D print those parts, that we'll firstly be able to save ourselves money, but then also we wouldn't need the space to hold all of those machine spares. So yeah, we developed the additive technology, and then on one of the innovation courses then we had the lecture about the circular economy. And that gave us the idea to go back and look at the materials that we were using, because single-use plastics is the whole issue around that. So we looked what was out there in terms of recycled material, and we found a company up in Leeds, and all of the 3D printed filament that they sell is 100% recycled. So we made contact with them, got some test filament, and actually found that the filament itself performed better than the original plastic. And not only that, it was half the cost. So before we were paying around £44 per kilo for original plastic material. Now we're paying around £20 per kilogram. So some incredible cost savings since we have started using the recycled filament. We've purchased around 200 kilos of that filament. So, you know, simple maths, you can work out the savings there, and we've been able to realise the improvements in engineering performance from that material.
So you get a better quality product made from recycled plastic. Obviously 200 kilos of plastic, or virgin plastic, not being used, so
exactly.
Environmental impact, and you've got a cash saving as well.
Exactly, and you know, we went a step further than that as well. We actually spoke to the owner of this company up in Leeds and said, well, we use an incredible amount of plastic for our incoming components to package them. Is there any way that we could convert that plastic into filament as well? So that is a project that is ongoing as well. We're not sure around the savings around that at the moment, but it is something that's going to be happening, turning packaging into 3D printing filament, and hence machine spare parts.
Excellent, so completing the loop.
Completing the loop, for sure, yeah. Circular economy.